children, welcome back. In previous class, we already studied about factors and multiples of natural numbers. We also studied about how we can check whether the number is divisible or not by some other numbers without doing actual division. So, on the basis of these properties, we categorize a natural number as follows. So, let's see. Types of numbers. Even numbers. The numbers divisible by 2 are called even number. जो नंबर 2 से completely divide हो जाते हैं उन numbers को बोलते हैं even numbers. और the number ends 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so on. Now let's see odd numbers. The numbers not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. जो number 2 से divide नहीं होते हैं, that numbers are called as odd numbers. Or the numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. For example, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. Now move to the next. Prime numbers. So children, observe this. All the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. All the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. All the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. You can see 2, 3, 5, they have only 2 factors, 1 and number itself. So we called as prime numbers. Numbers which have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. ऐसे numbers जिनके सिर्फ 2 factors होते हैं, 1 और एक number खुद, ऐसे numbers को prime numbers बोलते हैं. Let's see example. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Now see the next. Composite numbers. So children, observe this also. All the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. All the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. All the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. And all the factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. So you can see 4, 6, 8 and 9, they have more than 2 factors. So we called these numbers are composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. ऐसे numbers जिनके 2 से ज़्यादा factors होते हैं, ऐसे numbers को हम composite numbers कहते हैं. Let's see example. 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Now see next. Co-prime numbers. Any 2 numbers having no common factors other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. ऐसे 2 numbers जिनके factors common नहीं होते हैं, सिर्फ 1 को छोड़ के, ऐसे numbers को co-prime numbers कहते हैं. Example 9 and 16. So the factors of 9 are 1, 3, 9. The factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. See children, here both 9 and 16, they have not prime number. because they have more than 2 factors. So, these are not prime numbers, but they are co-prime numbers because they don't have common factors. Only one is common factor. So, 9 and 16 are called co-prime numbers. Now next, twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. ऐसे दो प्राइम नंबर जिनका डिफरेंस 2 आता है, ऐसे नंबर्स को ट्विन प्राइम नंबर्स कहते हैं. Let's see example. Suppose we have the number 3 and 5. So children, when you find out the difference between them, so we get the number 2. Now see again one example. 5 and 7. So when you subtract 5 from 7, you get the number 2. So such pairs of numbers are called twin prime numbers. Now move to the next, that is prime factorization. When a number is expressed as a product of prime numbers, it is called prime factorization. There are two ways to find the prime factorization of a number. First is factor tree method and second is division method. So let us learn each method one by one. Factor tree method. So let's solve one example. Suppose we have the number 36. So first of all, we split this number into two factors, that is 2 and 18. Now see here, 2 is a prime number, so you circle it and again split 18 into two factors, that is 2 and 9. Now see again, 2 is a prime number, so you circle it and split 9 into two factors, that is 3 and 3. Now see children, both are prime number, so you circle it. That means the prime factorization of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now move to the next method, that is division method. Now let's solve one example. Suppose we have the number 60. So first of all, you write this number in a table like this. Now write the number. So children, we always begin with the smallest prime number. Now see here, 60 is an even number. So we divide 60 by 2. So we get the number 30. Now again divide 30 by 2. So we get the number 15. Now 15 is not divisible by 2. So we divide 15 by 3. So we get the number 5. Now see children, 5 is a prime number. So we can divide this number by number itself. We get 1 as a question. So now write the answer. So answer of 60 means prime factorization of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So children, like this you can factorize any number by using these two methods. I hope you understood this topic very well. Now I want you to do the rest exercise at home. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care and bye bye.